So, we replaced our first Rosenberger connector today, and it had some serious faults in the plastic here, and it was also dislodged from this connector holder. They do have a similar or exactly the same one on FAUSA. Yeah, that is the rubber list, and it's supposed to be one compartment and it's supposed to be flexible. So if you slide the battery in, it will find its own position. But I haven't seen these removed, and these are what's covering the magnets. So let's open it up and have a look at the magnets. And this tool is awesome for poking where you shouldn't poke. And these are some of the most expensive connectors you can buy. They are around 20 euros in Europe for businesses without added watt. Oh, it's pretty deep down there, and you can see the magnets on the other side. So that's the holder, and here is the actual connector part. Oh, they are custom made, of course, and they are pretty strong, and they are much thicker than I thought. I thought they were just 1 millimeter or 2, 6 millimeter thick, so that might add to the cost. And there's also magnets on the other side, and that is the problematic one where screws can. That's how it looks inside a Rosenberger. I'm gonna save these small old school telephones and see if I can find some use for them, because they're probably the most expensive part of this connector.